What to expect after filing for bankruptcy in Canada. Filing for bankruptcy protection in Canada makes your financial life manageable again. So once the licensed insolvency trustee has filed your paperwork, what happens next? Let's break down the steps you will take after you've made the bold decision to file for bankruptcy. The automatic stay shield. The moment you file for bankruptcy, an automatic stay kicks in. Think of it like a legal wall, a giant wall, just like the ancient wall of China. Impenetrable. It stops your creditors from hassling you for payments, and gives you time and breathing room to reorganize your financial life. No more legal action either. Everything stops dead. Surrendering assets versus keeping them. Contrary to common belief, bankruptcy doesn't mean losing everything. You may need to surrender some non-essential assets, but essentials like your home and wheels often get a pass. Discuss your concerns with your licensed insolvency trustee to obtain guidance on how it all works. Monthly payment to the licensed insolvency trustee. Bankruptcy isn't a get-out-of-jail-free card. You will need to contribute an agreed-upon monthly sum to your creditors through the trustee's offices, normally based on your net household income. It's a structured process, ensuring fairness and accountability. The trustee will set up the automated monthly payments for you. Mandatory financial counseling, a lifesaver. In Canada, the bankruptcy process includes mandatory financial counseling. Embrace it. Learn from it. It's a toolkit to avoid future financial storms. Education is the key to breaking the cycle. It can even be done remotely over Zoom or Microsoft Teams for your convenience. Rebuilding credit smartly. During your counseling sessions, the counselor will explain to you how to rebuild your credit. You'll start small with a secured credit card, demonstrating responsible financial behavior. Some of the better ones for Canadians include Coho, Home Trust, and Capital One. Your credit score will rebound over time, proving that bankruptcy isn't the end of your financial life but a chance for a fresh start. Secured versus unsecured debts. Bankruptcy treats debts differently. Secured debts, tied to assets like your car, are handled separately. Unsecured debts, like credit cards, normally are completely discharged. Knowing the distinction is crucial. Once again, the trustee will advise you. Rise up from bankruptcy both stronger and wiser. Bankruptcy isn't the end of your financial story, it's a pivot point. Whether your bankruptcy lasts just 9 months, or as long as 36 months, for second or third time bankrupts, use the experience to reshape your financial mindset, habits, and goals. It's an opportunity for financial renewal. And as you traverse your post-bankruptcy landscape, remember this: resilience is your greatest asset. Utilize the tools provided, learn from the journey, and let this be a stepping stone towards a stronger, wiser, and financially liberated future. The storm may have shaken you, but it won't define you. Onward. Did you find this video helpful? If so, please click on like and subscribe, so we can continue to create new content for you. Thanks. And please also visit our website at www.debtdetoxadvisors.com.